Papa we unity. The phone honorable Chairmanship Boakye Agyarko.
Okay.
So NPP national chairmanship. Now my guys, one of the things my Dr. James Opukwe taught me is to do SWAT analysis of people. So I may be true, it may not be true.
Okay.
It may be it's a subjective analysis.
Right.
It's not an empirical quantitative analysis.
Sure.
That way quantitative analysis. Quantitative just say you must a senior or a doctor. What I say.
Yeah.
And I'm a busan on how surgical processes are. It's more quantitative than some people a journalist what surgical processes are. And I work quantitative. Answer 1 + 1.
Yeah.
Uko UK A2.
Yeah.
Over US A2. Uko Sweden A2. Uko Finland A2. Uko Krabakota A2. But subjective just say kase. E be ane benede. Uko UK e be a beggar. Uko Italy e be a pizza. Oba Ghana e be abenkwan ene katem kwan ene ye mutu what you say it is subjective
obia ne nitis
da kwa he onu yi niti no metie ni interviews ni bi man no enyansafo unza maboni din da se me menya nko no Boadu mu ne ade no da kwa he onu abeye the next person papa we nso enu a onu an station posting no e fa na Antwi-Boasiako chairman untumi onu so yi niti ene ye wo papa we nso e fa na Akomea payment sources yakwa flyer for no
na Akomea
flyer for no but me sources so ka jam say ono so atene ba bi say no kore.
Okay. Okay.
Ana kokwa yenya the former general secretary of the party I think no organizer kra Boadu
ono dia was expecting said
e da kokwa me phone ni e bi ka ho.
Okay.
Ona bo Samuel Boadu Sabi.
Yeah.
Ana former Rose minister former MP for Tiwa West.
Okay.
Ona bo kwakwa makwata Kwesi Amakwata enso ga unity. Akokwa, what are the SWOT analysis? That's why I said it's a my subjective analysis. Akwa better bench ways me frame na fufu bi any ade ye bon koma anu a am the way that type in nyina. Strength grassroots mobilizer ampa untumi ko ba bi our fans. Akokwa your population no. Enti na what train from here analysis bebre na structure agility so mo ntiase no. E form of no mo pemole no. Enti na Kennedy wo form no. Obi aso onyo mo kagum eye sa ade no. Untumi wo sa ade ni bi.
Okay.
Or connect well with the base of the party.
Right.
Or sa ade no. Again, akokwa 2016-2020 about 1.6-1.7 million votes in Ashanti region. 2024 the agiguye. Okwo san wo sika. Ma catch us say when you are going into an election, in my view, as an analyst and a following politics through 2000, we hear resources, we hear a strategy, and I hear a message. Tanya ma 3 way. Me want to be your work see a money. And I was with me winning elections the world over. That the theories are there. The weakness and so SWOT analysis basically means is that strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. How can you turn your weaknesses into strength? How can you turn your threats into opportunities? Basically, how can the weakness say, oh, you're controversial? Oh, Nekasa ni biwa wa, it's a party ni, Sano Muhuno, or were limited appeal across the Ashanti. How did I come to that? Kaya. Omoko to General Secretary about between Justin Kodia from Pong and Boadu no. Or for me, regional forum be. For Boadu, all the 15 regional chairmen except the then central regional chairman, may cut them because we're free. Still, Boadu won. So it seems as if the Ashanti region or what that base, you know. I say lacks the national statesman aura needed to unify elite, middle class voters, and diaspora. I say, won't to me nisa image no bet media Kenyan Safua boom. In simple terms.
Right.
So that's a weakness. Can he turn it into a strength? Time will tell. Our opportunity is and the popularity in NPP Bateman leveraging one. He's relatively young. Which means just already 50 years, right? He's relatively young. Yes. How can the threat and then say risk of alienating floating voters, middle class? How can Mimi say? And then yes, so for one is uncle for no. We want to me chairmanship appeal to them to vote Would they endear to listen to him one of the thread. His style may deepen internal divisions. I got regional chairman here got 2 base will be a neutral. What I declare baby or your campaign. See, one of the weakness and
right.
The next candidate, Boadu. Or say long administrative experience in NPP machinery. I from polling station. Me pay me check. That's why I see you call that polling station executive, or be a national organizer, or be a general secretary. And yeah, there's over that experience. Again, a good organizer knows the party's internal structure, seen as calm and pragmatic. I didn't know what stadium and session and every from say no to no tantrums and a year to go so now warrior no require calm. I'm not here. Okay, weakness is a 2022 defeat in NPP Sapphire. Omu believe say ono na course one of the people am course akokaka takwanso ayem so the issues e buy Asante Achim South, Asante Achim Central, Denchra, those areas. Move you say how the album and co were managed. Why they blame the general secretary, not the regional, the national chairman? Per the NPP's constitution, the general secretary is the CEO of the party.
Right.
He runs the day-to-day administration of the party. So the national chairman is basically like the board chairman, right? And the general secretary is like the CEO. It will report to board chair, no. But when it comes to the day-to-day, say, no. It is the general secretary. Right. So they believe that issues no opportunity here. He also could be positioned as a steady experience and to balance tensions. Appeals to party insiders and technocratic base. I will say, me catch us a can be beer. About John Boadu who a bad diamond. And I will be wo.
On one day. Me ni bibia because
now to
me I mean me will be kakra because how sometimes okasa will be kakra
I cause the research interesting want to put you on the spot now
me will be kakra
and the threat say may struggle to inspire the youth and grassroots those why politics are chana say on say there is a grassroots and youthful appeal no and I say risk of being tagged as part of the old system that called the NPP some popularity. So what I'm for blame say NPP that there be na. The issues in the bar no can. I can wrap up for in the next 2 minutes. Boakye Agyarko, senior figure, respected for intellect and international exposure.
Right.
How his financial and political networks important or a clean record. How say he na design agreements at broadcast no UTV. Ya kuna mabusa intelligence many president go for the need PBaka. Ono na yes, you're a president. No, Mamma Juma. Also, to me, Bibiaka. No, Boobe was say, Obi Timun, so raw, Okawa, F4 Betty. No chance, one coming. Mole for ya, no more person tracing on Tessa. Weakness or say, seen as elitists by some grassroots, as a grassroots phone who is as a word on Kaya Bro. I say, as a profane dorsal, structural rigidities, grassroots mobilization, grassroots reorganization. I prefer Kasiano dorsal. Almost not strongly rooted in grassroots mobilization like to me. A second energy minister remains a black one. A very issue, no, very controversial issue. That issue can come back to affect him.
All right.
It's also here another weakness that they see. The threat in Bino, some can see as a at the end, but opportunity is or a good communicator. Or yes, Uncle Fona, or Casonco Casam PPA. For us, could or be cutting ear, the assembly back there, the bonus uncle Funi. When yes, Uncle Funi again, or appeal to floating voter. Me say, pay the current stock, no, me, young people, they come and twab, but me go to come at Twamon. Aha. Me pay obi otimi ni me intellectual na me pay kwam na Japan wa ha no ko party no baby akoduru mu nyansa nyansa for what you say they are be nyansa for nyansa mo maka ne sabu mu ni nyansa they are strategists they are thinkers it's not bad to have thinkers there are people who are thinkers but who are not leaders they are behind the leaders and they think for them but sometimes I pick example like Buhari. Many US Nigerian presidents have been godfather no.
Right.
They don't maybe no godfather so in the some person media DNA. There's nothing wrong with it. The last one because of turn and Akomea. Highly respected. This forte communication.
Right.
Strategy. Also your calm and side nibia. Mu na Akomea mu Fred worry. They seem to have the same temperament. Cool, calm and but the weakness akokwa. Grassroots to for no. What's the idea? Also on all the grassroots want to me takes it.
Sure.
It tells you that in any election no candidate will appeal to all demographics. And that is why SWOT analysis is important. So if you know the candidate doesn't appeal to a certain demographic based on your SWOT, what you do is that you put in strategies, you put in resources, you put in plans to be able to convert those weaknesses into strength. Honestly, again, frontline politics, that's what free match check. That's what the member of parliament almost about 12 years in Hong Kong. Activists, I say, a CEO, one minister, this is the SWOT analysis. I believe, sir, these are good materials. I think, sir, what chef from NPP, my memory serves me right. Omubenya, the first chairman, Darocha, Omubenya Alajete, Omubenya Odoi Size, Haruna Iseku, Peter Makmenu, Jekotan Otanko Bechebelamte, Omubenya Paul Afoko, Omubenya Freddie Blay, Omubenya the current one, Rera Stephen Intako, Kwahedia Mabubu Dia. A deal contest with a tough contest. Sure. NPP party. It will not reduce the NPP. And I think it's important that sometimes when you're in a crisis, you don't always have to go for popular
but some
people.
Of the candidates, Ebinsu believe say when they come to steer the affairs of the NPP as chairman, and also the assembly, it will bring the image of the party down. Also, attitude, no character, be a very affected party. No, it's not all round. They say they are all cool for that particular, based on the level of tolerance to issues around. I mean, the political space and all that. Sankrofono, is a bit maybe people feel that a year. So much necessary should be focused on that because almost such people now. Such people are. Yes, be more how many emotionally, tolerant to certain issues. Nobody is critical analysis. Ya come when you boom. Edru ha yebeka. Ejendru ho. Ti person am correct. And now the strategies robo famra no. But TTB. And what they say is that a binum character. Yeah. And no maybe on my year. And you mentioned within the weaknesses. Yeah. Omu nyina no. As you said, say who omu so ye better fit for the position. Some have different opinions. Yes, and we shouldn't conclude on that. Say omu nyina a better fit.
No, the make us say they are all better fitting is because when it comes to grassroots, want to meet will be a day. Per analysis na yewa. But what I'm saying no candidate will appeal to all demographics.
Right.
So the reason I'm saying better fit is that when you aggregate to all of them, they will appeal to several demographics. To say Boakye come say me support Akomea. How many people know Boakye?
But which will save the image of the party.
You are idealistic. You see, you are idealistic. What do you say? Ideally, that's how it's supposed to be. But the party people, they don't think like that. You see, they are thinking of musika.
No, but if you mention say any person who gets this would uplift the image of the party, and I'm telling you that people have different opinions about these. Generally, within the NPP.
I agree with you.
Within the NPP.
Yes, I agree with you, but I'm saying that it is an NPP contest. Say presidential contest, it will be different.
So whoever wins carries the party. Say yes, you get it. And you said that any of them is best fit to lift the image.
Okay, and we disagree because of certain names.
Because when you go outside the party,
yes,
there are certain candidates. How come people don't see them well? Say, Omu Lydia.
You see, let me do PR for Wontumi. As a strategist, what is done in Ashanti region? Someone can say that the 2016-2024 elections were outliers. And that he can't entirely be blamed for it. Some people say, Wontumi claim to work. Wontumi ba obe mobilization moment to your muka. Omo ko national call yibima. Prime VTR 5. VTR 3, VTR 4. Won't mean yes, I'll be more miscam on the eye. So that's what I'm saying that. What's your 3 pillars now? May suggest now finance. I agree with you.
What the mini problem?
No, I agree with you. I agree with you.
I'm saying
I'm agreeing with you.
When you conclude,
I'm agreeing with you.
Say all of them.
You are right.
Best fit to live the image of.
You are right, but I'm saying that
I would disagree.
No matter who will come, there will be reasons to back the person. But all idealistic thing and audience are
real. I mean, these things are no Ghanaians.
Next week inflation.
Sure, right. Thank you very much. You know, say to the fact checker and Otene Kano,